So instead of texting in the model number or speaking it in, they can literally hit the scan button, take a picture of that model number, that data plate that's on the equipment. It's going to take them directly to the data within seconds. They can pull up all the manuals, wiring diagrams, tech specs on that particular model. And then we've also built out the largest cross-reference and database of parts in all the HVAC industry. So it also has all the OEM part numbers with pictures and IDs and specs on that part. But then with Blue On for Business, they get access to the largest cross-reference database as well. So if we're repairing that piece of equipment, the next step beyond troubleshooting it is actually fixing it.
Mm.
So inside there, they can find the cross-reference parts, whether it be OEM to OEM matching or OEM to aftermarket as well. So the greatest idea there would be, hey, if you're a novice technician, you actually know the part number to the universal parts that are on your truck. Hopefully, if we're stocked right, now you don't have to leave the job site. You can get it done right now. But if we have to be able to get a part on site, you either know exactly what to send to your procurement team or to a distributor of your choice through email or text message, whatever communication, and it will literally send out the data set of the OEM part, the model number, and any other known cross reference. So the likelihood of getting the wrong part on that job is greatly decreased to be able to make sure we can get the jobs